Menteri Rangba Kajala Konrad ke Sangma Hakzi Balang ulo ong ba sarkar sian kan sakhot ban yakren yakikan hun ba pher ban penjam bat penkut no yak jingkan tho halo ka isu isya mati habakran bat kilat thai khubor Menteri Rangba ulo ong ru bahula deb ban pente wat sak sarkar India halo ka tei ka isu.
Yeah, I think these are issues that, of course, a few months back it was a very major issue, but I think there is no such complication right now. There is no issue as such, and I think whatever the confusion that is arisen because of this comments being made by different groups, including groups from our state or groups from outside, I think can be resolved. So we are in the process of communicating and talking to everybody. Including, in fact, along with Government of India also. So therefore, we are on the job and we are trying to ensure that all these unnecessary comments that are coming out by different groups, this can be resolved at the earliest. I don't personally feel there are any major issues that are there. And I think by communicating and talking to everybody, all the groups, we should be able to normalize the situation. No, I think these are again matters, we are looking into those issues. But as I said, whatever the case may be, we as a government will ensure that proper communication and steps are taken so that these issues are resolved at the earliest. Yeah, we are aware of that, and in fact we are communicating, as I said, to the concerned organizations to ensure that this situation does not aggravate. I don't think there's any need for these kind of things to happen right now, and I think by communicating and talking to all the different organizations, we'll be able to resolve and normalize the situation.
Hakani kasi hadian belawai ka review meeting Menteri Rangba ulai thu ru ba ka sarkar ka thu ban penjen suno iki kendon ha ka lek kawan jing pa ba happening covid lai thu ru ba wat la umpat yo banisong ha ka coordination committee henry ka jingkhang ka pli ki amli na ki party ba pher ban yakendu yu.
Yes, so we had the review today again. So our objective, as we mentioned last time to you, is really to balance out between the safety of our people and also to ensure that the inconvenience caused is minimized. We have gone through the draft revised protocols so that we can maintain the balance between these two factors, and quite a long discussion was done on the pros and cons of this. So we are going to go through it once again, and only after pujas will we be able to finalize on those particular protocols. But very good discussion took place, and we more or less went through all the individual points regarding testing protocols, quarantine protocols, and protocols for short visits, whether by our people going outside or whether people coming into the state for short visits. Of all our political leaders being at different locations and not being able to get everybody on board, we could not have the coordination committee meeting. But as I was mentioning, this has not stopped me from meeting the leaders from different political parties at my level. So, as was mentioned earlier to all of you, I've given very specific instructions to my office that when political leaders from the coalition party or MLAs from our coalition party come to meet me, in fact MLAs from any party, we never stop them. They're not even asked to give pre-appointment. They can come in and walk into my office at any time. So we have a very, very open system, and therefore even if the meeting is not called, this does not stop anybody to come and meet me. They're free to meet me at any given time. Thank you.